After questions were raised about the functioning of the NDMA chief is avoiding Times Now's tough questions.
Mr. V.K. Duggal, who is coordinating all rescue and relief work, is talking to us. So you have said that there are no coordination issues, but there are some operational hazards.
No, I didn't say operational hazards. When did I say operational hazards?
In the bite you were saying that there are some
I didn't say. I say when the disaster is of this intensity or of this order, there can be very small operational difficulties and there can be some communication gap here and there. But given the size, given the intensity in a short period of time, given that the rains came a couple of weeks earlier and this thing, the work that has been achieved in the 1 week post that is remarkable. And I have been there, I have seen that. And we have reviewed it with everybody, we have talked to the general public also. So that is no doubt. Only if there is amongst the agencies and state government or if some support is needed from my role is not implementation, it's more of if there is something like that, some additional support from Government of India. So I am supposed to kind of flag and facilitate that.
Whenever there is a man-made or a national disaster, NDMA steps in, but there are some allegations that MDMA is not doing anything to prevent...
No, I'm sorry, I'm done for the day. Thanks.
So just 1 minute...
No, I have to meet the VC also before I go.
Sir, कुछ तो बात करके
नहीं बात काफी, that's enough. You give your most thoughtful comments. You have known people.
Why don't you just give 1 minute?
नहीं वो thanks no all यार.
Difficult questions you don't answer.
You are the most. You are the most.
Don't do this.
Know all channels. No, you are the most know all channels. Come. I am telling you, you know everything. You are full.
You're just walking away.
नहीं. I have to talk to Bharti for 2 minutes.
Today when I put forth the question to Mr. V.K. Duggal, who is coordinating all rescue and relief operations, when I asked him what NDMA is actually doing to prevent such man-made disasters, he did not want to answer that question and he just walked away. Now the big question that we are asking is, why is NDMA only stepping in when there is a natural or a man-made disaster, and what has NDMA been doing all these years to prevent such man-made disasters? Because even as far as the NEC meetings are concerned, NEC is an executive wing of the NDMA which is supposed to meet every 3 months, but NEC has not been meeting at all since 2008. From 2008 to 2012 at least, we know for sure that NEC meetings were not held. So why were these meetings not held? These are meetings which helps the agencies, all rescue and relief agencies, to coordinate, and in such situations as this, whenever there is a natural disaster or a man-made disaster, these meetings actually, they draw up a policy framework. So why weren't these meetings held? And as far as a national comprehensive framework on disaster management is concerned, ever since NDMA's inception in 2004, the Disaster Management Act came into being in 2005, but till September 2012 at least, NDMA did not have a comprehensive national policy on disaster management. So why is the situation within NDMA like this? We have been asking all these questions to the higher ups in NDMA, but we haven't been getting answers to this.